हेलो दोस्तों, मैं सुभाष कुमार 3S लाइफ सेफ एकेडमी से। यूट्यूब पे कुछ लोगों की कमेंट्स आई थी, सर आप कुछ हमें सेफ्टी ऑफिसर के कुछ इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन बना के भेजिए जो हमें काफी मदद मिलेगी। तो उसी के ऊपर हमने एक छोटी सी वीडियो बनाया हूँ जिसका पहला पार्ट जो मैं अभी रिलीज करूंगा। और इसमें कुछ हमने 25 क्वेश्चन आंसर रखे हैं जो बेसिक है, और इसको हमने क्या किया, बहुत ही डिफाइंड वे में, बहुत ही फाइन वे में इसको हमने सिंगल लाइन क्वेश्चन बनाने की कोशिश किया ताकि काफी ईजी रहेगा इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने में। तो आपको उम्मीद है ये जो हमारी जो पहली वीडियो है ऑन द सेफ्टी ऑफिसर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर में एंड आंसर के ऊपर में, आपको इससे काफी मदद मिल सकती है। इफ somebody asks you what is the definition of the health definition should be answered this way: the protection of the bodies and minds of the people from illness resulting from the materials, process or procedures used in the workplaces. If somebody is asking you what is the definition of the safety means, we should define the safety this way: the safety means the protection of the people from the physical injuries, accidents, loss of life. The term safety can be defined as the absence of the danger or risk or physical harm to persons extending in the workplace to things such as equipment, material and structures. Third questions, define welfare. How the welfare could be defined? The term welfare relates to the provision of workplace facilities that maintain the basic well-being and comfort of the workers, such as eating, washing and toilet facilities which enable them to fulfill their bodily functions. Okay, now question number 4, ILO stand for what? We should answer this way: ILO stand for International Labour Organizations. ILO is located at Geneva, Switzerland. Now question number 5, define PPEs. Well, the PPEs stand for personal protective equipments which protects from one or more risk to safety and health is called personal protective equipment. Okay, well, now define types of the PPEs. So there's a two types of the PPEs. One is non-respiratory PPEs, that is called general PPEs for the protection of the head, eyes, hand, leg, ear, skin, etc. Examples are safety helmet, earplug, hand gloves, goggles, safety shoes, etc. The second PPEs are respiratory PPEs. Those used for respiratory protective equipment is designed to protect the wearer from variety of airborne hazards in the form of gas, fume, mist, dust or vapor. Examples are air purifying respirator or breathing apparatus. Question number 7, what is IS code? IS code is Indian standard code generally being used in construction management for variety of safety equipments. Okay. Question number 8, what is the IS code for safety helmet? IS code for the safety helmet is 2925 is to 1984 is used for industrial safety helmet. What is an accident? The definition of the accident should be defined this way: an accident is an unplanned, unwanted, undesired, unexpected event that results harms as injury, damage or loss. The what is near miss? So near miss should be answered this way: it is an incident, an undesired, unexpected, unplanned, unwanted event that has potential to cause harm, injuries, loss, damage, but does not result in any harm, injury, loss and damage. Now question number 11, what is the difference between the accidents and the near miss? The difference between the accidents and the near miss could be defined this way: accident will be caused loss, but near miss does not loss any means of injuries, harm, damage. Question number 12, define dangerous occurrences. Dangerous occurrences can be defined this way: an event to cause injuries, ill health to person at work or to the public. So question number 13 is, what is the occupational ill health? It should be answered this way: it is a disease, mental illness caused by person at work. What is the occupational disease? Occupational disease is defined as a disease contracted as a result of an exposure to risk factor arising from work activities. Define hazards. Hazards should be defined in the simple terms: something has potential to harm is called hazards. What define risk? The risk is the chance or likelihood that available hazard will cause harm in the combination with injury, damage or loss. Question number 17, define types of hazards. There can be many hazards like physical hazard, chemical hazards, biological hazards, ergonomics hazards, psychological hazard, electrical hazard, etc. What is the TBT? So the TBT first, TBT means toolbox talks. It is an initial routine briefing to all workers and staff before starting of the job. This routine toolbox talks helps in generating awareness, precautions. Question number 19, role and responsibility of safety officer. So there are many roles and responsibility of the safety officer like worker safety, inspection of sites, making an authorizing work permit, carrying out drills, doing a TPT, accident investigations, communication with management, conducting regular training, monitoring safety related documents, etc. Question number 20. What is excavation? Excavation is the process of moving earth, soil, rock, or other material with the tools, equipments, or explosives. Define the types of the excavation. There could be many types of the excavations. There's the topsoil excavations, trenching, drainage excavations, footing excavation, basement excavation, etc. Question number 22. Define excavation hazards. The excavation hazard could be many and few are listed here. The soil collapse, falling into the excavations, excavation material falling on workers, toxic gases, vehicle movement, etc. Question number 23. Define type of soil. There are mainly three quality of soil, that is sandy, silt, and clay soil, and these are divided into three classifications: type A, type B, type C, and stable rock. Question number 24. What is PTW? PTW means a work to permit. PTW is a formal documented safety procedures forming part of a safe system of work which ensure that all necessary actions are taken before, during, and after particularly high risk work with the specific permission of an authorized manager or safety officer. Question number 25 is what is a safe system of work? The answer of safe system of work should be answered this way. A safe system of work is a defined method for doing a job in the safe way. It is also known in short as SSW. दोस्तों उम्मीद है ये छोटी सी प्रयास आपके लिए काफी फायदेमंद हो सकती है और आप अपने सुझाव भेजते रहिए और मैं कोशिश करूंगा इसका जो पार्ट 2 बहुत ही जल्दी नेक्स्ट वीक में मैं रिलीज करूं, जिसमें फिर से 25 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे जो रिपीट क्वेश्चंस नहीं होंगे, मैं कुछ नए क्वेश्चन के साथ पेश करूंगा. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू वेरी मच. तो आप जरूर से लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर करें. थैंक यू वंस अगेन.